Hi everyone, thank you for watching. I'm Jerky. Today I got a box from Days Collectibles and I open it. Yeah. Get you. なんか意外な。ここ入れてたらちょっと危ない。まあ、なんか入ってる。で、newspaper, and this Greenlight Collectibles Tokyo Talk Nissan Titan XD Pro 4X. Then I open it. Gosh.
開けられない。นั่นต้องหน่อย
Không sao.
อันนี้ก็ต้องหน่อย
Không sao. 難しいんだよこれ。もういい。もうめちゃくちゃでいい。もういい。もうめちゃくちゃでいい。Okay. Then and this is Nissan Titan.
近くに撮る。
I like this color and really cool, red and white and blue, and this Nissan logo is really cool. And this is metal. Chassis is metal, so little bit heavy. Really nice. And I will modify this add the steering system and suspension. So see you next. Bye.